Anthropic has just unveiled Claude Design, a groundbreaking AI-powered platform that could completely transform how we create visual content. Built on their most advanced model, Claude Opus 4.7, this new tool allows users to generate polished designs like prototypes and marketing assets just by describing what they want. Instead of spending hours refining a single idea, designers can now explore multiple creative directions instantly, while non-designers can finally turn their ideas into professional visuals without needing technical skills. Claude Design also integrates your team's design system automatically, ensuring every project stays consistent with your brand. You can import content from documents, images, or even your codebase, then refine everything using simple controls or natural conversation. Collaboration is built in, allowing teams to edit and iterate together seamlessly. Once your design is ready, you can export it to formats like PDF or even send it to tools like Canva. With its ability to bridge creativity and automation, Claude Design isn't just another design tool. It's a glimpse into the future of how ideas will be created and brought to life.